This lesson is going to review combining sentences with who, whom, or whose. It will specifically review how to choose which one of these words to use when you're combining sentences. Let's first of all take a look at who. Let's look at this pair of sentences. The speaker is telling a story about her father. She is my best friend. So I know that I want to combine these sentences. And the first thing I need to think about when I'm combining them is that she is a subject pronoun. So I know that I'm going to use who when I combine them. To combine them, I can say, the speaker, who is my best friend, is telling a story about her father. Basically what we do to combine these is take the second sentence, remove part of it, in this case she, replace she with who, and plunk it in the middle of the first one. So now we have a much more complex sentence, which will add a complexity to your writing. A few things to remember when you're doing this. First of all, make sure that you match. So she is a subject pronoun, so you need to replace it with the subject pronoun who. Also, take into account that you need commas to set these apart. So we have a comma after speaker, and we have a comma after friend. Don't forget those commas when you write these sentence combinations. So when do we use whom? Well, let's take a look at this sentence. Her father taught her to value education. She admires her father greatly. This time, I want to focus in on her father. Her father is the direct object of that sentence. If you don't remember what direct objects are, you can always review those in earlier grammar lessons. So, to combine these sentences, you can say, her father, whom she admires greatly, taught her to value education. Notice two things. Whom is an object pronoun, since we're taking the place of a direct object. And also notice the commas, again after the word father, and a second one after greatly. So we've covered combining with who and to whom. The only one left is combining with whose. My friend grew up in Laos. Her speech is inspiring us all. This time, we need to focus in on her, which is a possessive pronoun. Let's combine. My friend whose speech is inspiring us all grew up in Laos. Notice we've used the possessive pronoun whose in order to match what we took away, her, from the second sentence of the example. So again, we have to match. And finally, of course, don't forget your commas, one after friend and one after all. And all those commas really do is just set apart that phrase from the rest of the sentence. We know then that that portion of the sentence, that phrase, is an add-in.